Just bought these pair of Crocs. You can see I just opened them, they're brand new, still have the tags on them. Let's see my first impressions. They have this back heel strap, so you can wear it as a clog or with a little more security. And I'm noticing the bottoms actually have a lot of grip to them. So even though they are like this rubbery plastic material, it doesn't seem like you'd slip if you were outside. Let's try them on. I'm usually a size 7 and these are a 7. So see how they fit. Okay, so my foot does go all the way back. So depending on the fit that you're looking for, I am a very typical size 7, so they aren't bad. Let me try it with a strap on to see if that still fits. Yeah, my toes are touching the end here, so it's not terrible though. Might try an 8 just to see what that feels like in comparison. Here they are. Here's the fit. I have a pretty narrow foot and these are quite wide, so it would fit either a narrow foot or a wide foot, whatever your size is. One last thing to notice is it does have this grippy inside. There's textured in there, like little dots here, so you're not gonna slip around inside too much, so that's nice.